Hi everyone, welcome to the second session. In today's session, we are going to cover two modules. One is the application module and second is the transactions module. Both are fairly simple. So let me start with the application module. So in this module, whatever information merchant has provided at the time of onboarding, that information is available. The documents which were provided at the time of onboarding, they are available here. This was a case wherein the user was an individual user, so Aadhaar front, Aadhaar back, cancel check and PAN card were provided. If it had been company, then documents related to company were provided. Then whatever rates that have been agreed with the merchant, that information is also available. And status of that merchant is also mentioned, that agreement has been received and this merchant is now live. The second module which today I'm going to show you in this current demo is the transactions module. In transaction module there are further 6 options that are available. If I click on this transactions sub menu, list of all the transactions that have happened in the system, they will come here. Now I also have an option to export all this information into the form of an Excel sheet by clicking this button. If I click here, an Excel sheet will be generated and it will be downloaded on the system. Now, if I don't want to see all the transactions, I want to see only the refund transactions, I will click here and all the transactions that were refunded, that list will come here. The next option is chargeback. I can select the chargeback and list of all the chargebacks will come. The transactions which I did in the test environment, if I click on the test transactions option, those transactions will come here. Now this is the summary report. How many transactions that were done during here date is defined during 5th January. How many transactions were done, how many were successful, how many were declined, how many were the chargebacks that were received today on the transactions done earlier, and refunds. So all this information is available in the consolidated form. There is another option, default pay-in. This is basically whenever any PG is collecting payment on behalf of the merchant. So as per the agreement, maybe after T+1 days or T+2 days, the PG is providing pay-in to the merchant. So all those reports will be available here. When the user will click, he will get the option. So this particular merchant, he was having Razorpay as its PG partner. So he clicked on Razorpay and all the reports or all the pay-in that were coming from Razorpay, that report is shown here. So I have covered all the topics that were planned for today's